How social media can help your online business thrive. The business world has changed drastically in the last decade, with more and more entrepreneurs starting their businesses online. Social media has become an integral part of any business's digital marketing strategy and is a powerful tool that can be used to reach and engage with potential customers. What is social media? Social media is a term used to describe online platforms and services that allow users to interact with one another, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. These services allow users to post and share content, such as photos, videos, and written content. Social media also allows users to communicate and form relationships with one another. Social media allows businesses to connect with potential customers more personally and build relationships with them. It allows companies to showcase their products, services, and brand personality in an engaging way. Social media can also be used to generate leads, promote events and sales, and gain valuable insights about customer preferences. With all these advantages, it's clear that social media is a powerful tool for online businesses that should not be ignored. By leveraging social media effectively, online businesses can increase brand awareness, reach new customers, and build loyalty among existing customers. Benefits of using social media for business. Social media provides businesses with a variety of benefits, including increased brand awareness. Social media can be used to increase brand awareness by creating engaging content and reaching out to potential customers. Improved customer relationships. Social media allows businesses to build relationships with their customers by engaging with them in conversations and responding to their queries. Increased traffic and leads. Social media can drive traffic to your website, which can lead to increased sales. Increased sales. Social media can be used to promote and advertise products and services, which can lead to increased sales. Improved customer service. Social media allows businesses to respond to customer queries and complaints quickly and effectively, which can lead to improved customer satisfaction. Tips for maximizing the benefits of social media for business. Here are a few tips for businesses to maximize the benefits of using social media. Set realistic goals. Before you start using social media for your business, it's important to set realistic goals. These should include measurable objectives such as increasing brand awareness, driving traffic to your website, and improving customer relationships. Create engaging content. Create content that is engaging and relevant to your target audience. This could include blog posts, videos, infographics, and more. Interact with your audience. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages, asking questions, and providing helpful advice. Promote your content. Promote your content on social media by sharing it with your followers and engaging with other users. Track your performance. Track the performance of your social media campaigns by using analytics tools such as Google Analytics and Facebook Insights. Social media strategies for business. Here are a few social media strategies businesses can use to reach and engage with their target audience. Identify your target audience. Identify who your target audience is and what platforms they are most active on. Create a content plan. Create a plan for the type of content you will create and how often you will post it. Engage with your audience. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages, asking questions, and providing helpful advice. Promote your content. Promote your content on social media by sharing it with your followers and engaging with other users. Track your performance. Track the performance of your social media campaigns by using analytics tools such as Google Analytics and Facebook Insights. Analyzing the results of your social media campaign. Analyzing the results of your social media campaigns is a crucial aspect of any digital marketing strategy. Here are a few tips for analyzing the results of your social media campaigns. Track your performance. Track the performance of your social media campaigns by using analytics tools such as Google Analytics and Facebook Insights. Analyze your data. Analyze the data from your social media campaigns to identify what works and what doesn't. Track your ROI. Track your return on investment, ROI, to determine if your campaigns are profitable. Test different strategies. Test different strategies and tactics to identify which ones are most effective. Adjust your campaigns. Adjust your campaigns based on the results of your analysis to maximize the effectiveness of your campaigns. Measuring social media ROI. Here are a few tips for measuring the ROI of your social media campaigns. Track metrics. Track metrics such as website traffic, sales, and leads to determine the success of your campaigns. Calculate your ROI. Calculate your ROI by dividing the revenue generated from your campaigns by the cost of the campaigns. Compare your results. Compare your results to the industry benchmarks to identify areas for improvement. Analyze your data. Analyze the data from your social media campaigns to identify what works and what doesn't. Adjust your campaigns. Adjust your campaigns based on the results of your analysis to maximize the effectiveness of your campaigns. Conclusion. In conclusion, social media can be a powerful tool for businesses to reach and engage with their target audience. By utilizing social media strategies, such as creating engaging content, promoting your content, and leveraging influencers, businesses can maximize the benefits of social media and grow their online business.
Be sure to like and subscribe. And check out the links below.